Hello viewers, Murray here with Murray's Mobile Mechanics and welcome to the channel. Today I have a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder 3.5 liters V6 engine, and we got a situation. The push button fell dropped inside the dashboard. So let me flip the camera, I show you. So we've taken off all the panels under the steering wheel. You can see there should be a panel right here, which is this one. I took it out. Should be another one that goes right there. This is the one, I took it out, and then we have this other one that comes right here. Just have to pry on it, and then there's a screw here, there's another screw right there, and as you can see right now, our push button is inside right there. So I need to fish it out. So what's happening right here is I have to squeeze my hand in there and then bring it out there. So let me see what I can do and see if we can catch it on camera. So I just want to show you how stuck it is inside, and then I'll bring it right here, and then I think we need to find a way to have it sit where it's supposed to be. So let me screw over here with my hand, find it, and this is the one right here. So I'm gonna try to force it to come out, and then we're going to put it in place because I need to actually insert the holder, this ring that supports it. So let me do that off camera and I'll bring you guys back. Hello viewers, so what I did, I disconnected the push button from the wires. This is the one right here, and this is the push button. Fell inside, so I disconnected the wires. You can't put the wires at the wrong spot. One is big and one is small, so took it out from the other side and then push the wires on the slot, because this is the way it's gonna sit. Put the wires through the ring, and we'll let the ring sit there just like so. So, and then we are going to connect our connectors just like so, and the other one just like so. And now we gotta find a way to actually put our ring on. Hello viewers, so I figured one thing out, because the push button won't come through right here with the wires. So what I did is this is the one right here. I disconnected the wires from it, and it's only two connectors, one big one, one small one. You can't put them at the wrong spot, so they only fit one way. So I disconnected the push button and then fished the wires like so. And right now what we're going to do is, if you look at it right here, I believe this big piece right here protects these wires right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the ring, this is what I mean. You see these wires right here, and I believe this guy slots in there just like so, and that's how it sits and protects those other wires. So right now we are going to connect our plugs in just like so, and this one in, and then we gotta find a way to find the spot for this push button. And basically it goes in just like so, and then what's remaining is just putting these other accessories back on, and then we should be good. So let me do that off camera and I'll bring you guys back. Hello viewers, so everything is put back together. You can see the side panel, the bottom panel, and the other side panel from inside, and our push button is on right there. Let's actually try it with the key. I know this one gives a little bit of trouble starting, but a foot on the brake pedal, and so you can see it says key ID incorrect, so we just have to keep trying. And there we go, we got the car running. think we pushed on the lever for the wipers, so we got the car running. We got the key push button on, and basically that's all it takes to fish out that push button from inside the dashboard. That's all it takes, viewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more tips on how to fix your vehicle. Marais here with Marais Mobile Mechanics, signing out. Stay blessed, be good, and we'll see you on the next one.